All right, everyone, it's time for a tour. Tour time. Wow. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's real cotton. Wow, these are real old school. Old school horseback saddles. It's so cool. Look at this Native American picture. Good morning. Awesome. They have hand sanitizer stations. That is great. This shows the features, the happy hours at the bars and stuff. Oh man, look at that Kim, a famous singer. Look at all these famous folk that have been here. Wow. So this is the Ballrooms. They have ballrooms here. We've been here for Christmas and Thanksgiving. And what they'll do is they'll have chefs here create these amazing banquet meals on holidays. So that's also a pretty cool thing that Wigwam Resort does. Here's more ballrooms. I've been to the lobby. Now we're going to show you the bar. And look at this. We didn't see this because it was above our head. Look at this Native American. Wow. Isn't that cool, y'all? Wow, that is amazing. Cool. Look how the lights, they have natural light coming in. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, that is so cool. This is the lobby area. This is all original things here. Wow, look at that chandelier. Fireplace. Wow. Look at this art, y'all. Horse Thief, that was the name of this one. And they have some of the original pictures from when Wigwam Resort was created. That is so cool. Look at this. Wow. Look at the art. And there's the bar. You can also order food there. Wow, look at this area. You can just hang out. There's a lot of art here. That is a beautiful chandelier, Native American style. Look at this, y'all. Wow, nice fireplace. Anyone can just sit here and enjoy the fireplace. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the patio for the bar and the food, and I'm gonna show you the pool in a minute. Cool, guys. So here's the amazing pool that they have. I have y'all take a look at this. It's called the Tower. Pool and bar and grill. Awesome. Alright, so my key touched my phone. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay, it still works. I'm gonna take a look, y'all. So most people aren't here around this time, which is cool. So look at this walkway over the pool. This is pretty cool. They have a slide there. That's really cool. And there's a jacuzzi that's huge. The bar and grill. Water flowing. This is cool. And look at the cabanas where they have tables. There's a lot of seating areas to get away to as well. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Yeah, we about to go swimming, y'all. We're here at the resort. Wigwam Resort. We're about to go to the pool. Faith, what the world? She's in a wagon, y'all, getting stuck. So Eliott, Deshaun, Kendrick, Faith, and then the bathroom was stinky. Somebody farted or pooped in there.
Would you pull my finger? No! Okay. Now, a scene from Backdraft.
I think it was cash, y'all.
No, it's not that. It's my money, boo.
Oh, stanky, stanky, panky. Go ahead, get in the pool. Go ahead. You get in the pool too, dude. Get in the pool, Sean. They're gonna jump in there, y'all. They're gonna jump in, or at least try to. Go ahead, Eliott, get in.
Woo!
Woo!
I have a cut on my toe.
You have a cut on your toe. What's that gonna do? Get y'all butts in there. I'm being scared. How you feeling at the Wigwam Resort, girl? Looking all dirty. Cause you got in the rocks this morning. Yes. Do you like the Wigwam? Oh, you locked us out, girl. You locked us out of the resort. You locked us out of our room. Now I have to knock. Look at this cool knock. This cool. Look at that, y'all. Look how cool that is. Look. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Faith, say open it. Look at this door. It's a nice door, y'all. And here's the blinds. I gotta knock on it. Let's see if Eliott. Open the door. It's me. Open the door. Open it. Silly, silly, silly.
6 hours later.
What's up with this girl? Hello? Eliott, come on.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah, it's me. Silly girl. So, she's watching Martin in the room. And we're just having a good time here at Wigwam Resort. And look at Faith. Oh, she's having fun. These are both of our doors, y'all. And this is someone else, but I don't think anyone's there. Faithy, what are you doing? What are you doing, boo-boo? Oh, I know, beautiful trees. Is this an orange tree? I think it is, but the oranges are taken off. But sometimes the oranges are on it. We've been here many times to the Wigwam Resort. It's been a while. Last time we were here is like a month ago. But yeah, y'all, just checking in. Uh-oh, the big man on campus is up. with all that sleep on your mouth, boy. Look at you. Let me see your outfit. Let me see your outfit, your pajamas. It says, come here, let me read it, baby. Let me read your outfit, Kendrick. Let me see. Come on, let's read it. Stumping on the bed. Were you stumping on the bed this morning? Faith, was he stumping on the bed? He said, good morning, Kendrick. How are you liking Wigwam Resort? Are you having a good time here today? Yes. Oh, Faith's messing around with stuff. Stop messing with stuff. Ugh. I don't know whose that is. I gotta wash your hands now. She touching stuff. Come on, baby. Let's go back in the room. Come on. Woo. You got them strong feet. Dang, girl, you can walk for miles on glass. Huh? Come on, boo-boo. Come on, let's go in the room. Let's go. Oh, I heard her say that. Did y'all hear that? She said, let's go. What's up, Kendrick Shark? Hold on, let me close the door, boo-boo. She's still trying to get out. Cash, say hi. Hi. What are you watching, Cash? Hi. Ice Age. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh, he wanted to say hi. Hi. Cash, you just chilling in here. You about to pull out your mattress? Hi. You gonna pull out your mattress so you can go to sleep soon? Yeah? Not right now. Hi. Are you okay? So y'all, this is the resort. We got one door, two door. Let's see how many doors we got. We got another door here. Yo, 3 doors. And K Money, you wanna say hi?
What's up, everybody?
As you can see, it's my birthday. She chilling. Y'all, these kids wrecking this room. Look at this, y'all. Eliott, say hi to the vlog, to the Eliott family at 7. And then we got another door. We got 4 doors in this thing, man. Nah, Sean, go get a shirt on. Look at this, y'all. We stocked up, got all our Gatorades, our energy drinks, our Chinese food. Yeah, and then we got here, they going crazy. And then we have a closet here. Okay, that's the closet. And we got the Jack and Jill. This is the Wigwam Resort. Hi, baby, you dancing? What are you doing on the floor, boy? By that noodle. Y'all, let me zoom in. Let me show y'all something. Look at that noodle. Big up to that noodle, boy. Little nasty self. What you showing your, And then here's the toilet that needs to be flushed. And it comes with conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. That is cool. All right, son. Yeah, I am recording. All right. Thanks for chilling with us on our vlog, on our day. Just chilling. This is part of my birthday. So much love. I'm celebrating my birthday every single day. All right, let's check back in, y'all. So happy birthday, who?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God. I'm gonna blow it. I'm gonna blow it with the fam. Hey. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Wigwam Resort. I suggest you all to stay here. The rooms are huge, a lot of amenities. They practice social distancing, and they say mask up. You see me wearing a mask, because everywhere around the property, make sure they remind you the importance of a mask and protection. 6 feet apart, even at the pool, it says. Look, y'all, I recommend you stay here at the Wigwam Resort here in Litchfield, Arizona. You know what? Stay blessed and highly favored. Peace.